Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another my Therabox unboxing. And we're going to see what's in this month's Therabox together. So let's get started. We're going to open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, the first thing that comes in the Therabox is your Rise book. Each book has a different title to it, and as you can see, it goes and tells you the different about the different products in your Therabox. And it also has a section for frequently asked questions, and that's the first thing that's in there. So now we're going to open it up and see what's inside. And I'm going to look at the products to tell you about them. So we'll know. So we are going to start with the very first thing that I can see, which is the self-care to-do sticky notes. Now these are little notes where you can just send yourself inspiring message or a quote, or little reminders to help you to remember that self-love is very important for your mental health. And I think that's kind of neat. I like the different ones that they have here. The next item in the box is I'm in Love Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask. And it shows the mask here, and then you have this part here on top. It's a two-part mask. It has Vita Complex 10 with aloe barbigenous leaf juice, and it shows you some information on it on the back. I will probably be using that tonight, and I'll be posting a picture of that on my Instagram. Okay, the next thing that I see is the Champagne Charcoal Body Scrub, which is here. And you can see, I will open the top, but you can see it is sealed. I will probably be using this, maybe not. Some products in this box, if I already have something similar to it, I will be making up my own mental health self-care box for everybody that I will be giving away. And the next item is the Z-Skin Coffee Face Scrub. It's 100% organic that you put on your skin. This also, I have two other things similar to this that, so I may put this into a box to give away. And the next thing here is Base Camp Card Company set of playing cards with questions, which I think is pretty neat. I'm going to open it to show you the cards. This is what the back of the cards look like. And this is the front side. Of course, I have it upside down where it's a joker. Now, I might use these cards in I'm going to be starting a new thing on Saturdays. It won't be every Saturday, but I'm going to do maybe every other Saturday or once a month a game thing dealing with mental health. So that will probably be one of the things that we do. Another item that we have in here is a Sugar Bear here shower cap. This I might do as a giveaway because I don't normally use shower caps, but they are good to use. So that might also be put in the box as a giveaway. And then the next item is Unicorn Lip Plumping Mask, which is here. I'm going to open it. I tried it once already. You can smell like a little mint. It's called unicorn because it's different colors. You just take a little dab of it. You don't need a lot. And you rub it on your lips. In the winter time, that'd be really good because your lips lose a lot of moisture. And then we have the Sugar Bear Hair Woman's Multivitamin Gummy Bears. They're vegans. I tried this already. I will show you what the gummy bear looks like. As you can see, that's the little gummy bear. And you take this as a daily supplement to help you because we know, we don't always get the proper nutrients that our body needs. So that will help. In the last item in the box, there's an After Spa Detox Massage Brush, and it's for dry and wet brushing. And what you do with this brush, I'm not going to take it out, but I will show you an example with my arm. You take your arm, and with the brush, you make small circular things like this on your arm, and it exfoliates and detoxes, and it shows you here, it's got the strap on it to help you out. You can use it dry or wet. And as you can see, the reason why it says massage, you see the little white things, those are what massages your skin. So that is everything in this month's Therabox. I can't tell you enough how much I really enjoy my monthly Therabox. It is a great item to have. Self-care is very important. We all need self-care in our life. With the hecticness of everything, sometimes we forget to care for ourselves the way we should. And with that, we don't take, we forget the very important things in life. So I'm going to put the products back in the box so I can close it and talk to you a little bit about this. It's a good thing to have. I do like my Therabox a whole lot. I look forward to each Therabox I get. I have not gotten one Therabox yet that I was disappointed in. They do have different levels. You can give it as a gift to somebody for one time. You can order it for yourself as a gift to try it out. They do have a month-to-month subscription basis, 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription, and a year. Now, the total value of everything in this Therabox is $150 for everything that I showed you. I only pay about $40 to $45, so I feel it is well worth it. We all know that we tend to forget about taking care of us in our day-to-day life. Always helping others or dealing with the chaoses of life, we forget to take care of ourselves. Now, you can order the Therabox through www.mytherabox.com, or you can get it from cratejoy.com. As I said, the Therabox is a great thing to get, teaching you, for others to love you, you need to love yourself. And Therabox is a great way to help you to do that. It makes you feel better about you and a lot of other things. I hope you'd enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about my Therabox, feel free to mention it in the comments. And remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes, because what your eyes see isn't important. Because what truly matters is invisible to the eye, and only the heart can see it. And remember, each and every one of you out there are important to me. So I love you and mwah, have a great day. Bye.